particular value from the column family, then we have to use the filters. Okay, there are some filters which are available with the Hbase. We have to use that only. Directly we cannot retrieve it. Okay, commands I will start showing, and we will do some of the alteration commands and truncate and all. And okay, I'll open my mission. Okay, I am in my prompt, so I will go to Hbase, and then we will do the rest of the commands like altering the tables and other stuffs. Okay, so Hbase shell, Hbase shell I have to give. Now it is in the shell. So what are the tables we have it? We created yesterday list. Table emp, my table username and all is there. So we were working on the emt table. So what we did, we tried to get some values from the emt table. Get of the column families is possible. If you wanted to get the particular item, then you have to use the show filters. That example I will show. So quickly again, get from the table, get from the emp table. Say if you wanted to check, get the column family information. So I, before that I will show what all information it has. EMP, we have to give it in quotes. Okay. Scan EMP. It is giving all the details of it. If you want to get a particular row ID, then one, if I give, okay, there is only one row ID, right? What I will do, I will put some more information also with a different row ID, so that we can see how we can work on that. So put table, this is not table, put emp comma some more information for row id 2. For the second row I'm going to give now. So here our after that we have to mention our column family, right? Our column family here is personal details. In that I will add for the second employee. Okay, name, age and mobile. Name, name as something like Jaya, my name I will add. Okay, it is added. So age also I will try to add it. Age. So here we don't have to specify the data type, it will take automatically. Okay, for any other databases which we have come across, even in Hive, we have to give data type or the schema type in pig, right? But it is not required in Hbase. Okay, age and mobile, I will give mobile as something like this. So it has to call the records. We will scan it and check. Okay, to second record is having this column family. The name of the column family is personal details. Okay, so what I will do is I will get the get some column family. Okay, using the record id, we have get the column family. like this. One possibility is, okay, I will write it again, no problem. Get employee table, comma 1. One is row ID 1, I'm trying to get it. Then we put what we are going to get it in a curly braces, COLUMN, and this one as the family name, personal details I have given. Okay, that all should be in quotes. Okay, so enter, it gave person row id once, column family information. Likewise, you can give, if you wanted to find a particular row id, say for 2, directly you can give it like this, because it is also not necessary. Like column name, you have to give it as personal details. Okay, if I give it as 1, 2, it is 2, it is giving all the things. If you see 2, for the row ID 2, it is having only personal details. So it is giving all the personal details, column family information. If I give the row ID as 1, then it will give both the personal details and the work details. Okay. So based on the row ID also, you can retrieve the data. Okay, and another thing is, you can also specify the column family, like here. Here we have given no column personal details. Likewise, also you can specify specific column families. Okay, get using row ID also you can retrieve, or using the column family name also you can retrieve it. Okay, two, not two, in the first row id only, I like us, I say like column, this should be in capital letter, as I said yesterday. It should be like call one. It is not call one. What are the column information, like personal or only work details? Okay, I'll put work details, and personal details also you want to get. Okay, so it is giving both the personal details and the work details. If you have a multiple columns and you wanted to give a specific column using the column name, like guys, you can do this. Okay, okay guys, so this is all in this is how you can get the data. Now I will show some commands where you can alter the table column family information. Okay, I will give like, there is also possibility. Now we have seen no, when you are describing the EMP table, it was giving all column family information, all this information. It is also possible that we can change the versions or in memory informations or anything some similar to that. We can do it. We will see and I mean, we will do it and see. I will show you. So how we can change the version of a column family is alter, same like alter command only, alter table, not table but my table name emp. Say I'm trying to add a new column family name. Okay, that we are going to do using the alter command. Name is going to be the new column family, like new column family I am going to add. Okay, so this should be in the quotes, closes. So what this command does, it is going to add a new column family name, okay, to the existing column family. Okay, I will enter this. So now see, alter is going to do a processing. So where all it is loaded also, it, I mean where all the changes is happening also, it is showing. Since we have only one region, it is saying in one region only it is updated. Okay, so it means like it is going to change the data which is present, right? The data is employee table. In the employee table, we had two column families. In the using this command, I am adding new column family. new one, additional one. So it is also showing that where it is present and where it is getting updated. So what I will do, I will describe and show you. So we also have another new column family, but values are not there in the new column family. Only just now we have defined it. We can use put command to put some values into the new column family also. Okay guys, and I will also shows that for say for example we wanted to change the version of the new column family. How do we do that? Alter emp name. So name means it will say, because column family is present inside the attribute name, so that you have to give name and new column family. Okay, the version of the new column family we are going to change it. So versions will be changed to like 4. Okay, so for example, I wanted to change it to 4. It is 1, 4. This is fine. This is how you can change any of the columns family version. Okay, and another command I will show it on alter table. Same thing. Alter name employee table. In that new column, in for the new column family itself. Why? Because okay, we try to change it for another column family, because I have already changed it for new column family. So how do we see whether the versions is changed? In order to see that, we will describe and see the table. Describe emp. Okay. So see the column family version is changed. Fine. Then I will show you another command like we will do some manipulation with another column family. Say for example work details. Since we have work details, we will do the manipulation name to work details and say versions we will give it to 2. And say for example this is the one step I have modified the column family information, right? In this query alter only one step. This query will add the data, add the column family into the new table, and here I have changed the version information. But in this case, what we can do is, if you say for example you wanted to add a multiple updation, multiple alteration in the same step, that also you can give. You can open and close the curly braces, and open and close again, and give whatever the whatever other column family information you wanted to change. Okay, like this. Say for example again, new column family, I will take it where there is something like this. What we will can change, any of this we can change. Okay, in memory I will change it to true, like that. Okay, for the new column family I will change the in memory attribute value to true. Okay, but it is throwing error. Okay, I need to give a comma over here. That's why it is giving error. It came out also. Okay, I will again use that. I need to write this again. So alter, say for example, multiple column info family information you wanted to change or any settings you wanted to change, that is possible likewise. Here, here we will give the personal, say for example, personal details column family version I will change. Okay, name equal to personal details column family. Name should be in capital letter, personal details column family, and the versions as 4 or something like 2, 42, any versions you can give. And and again for the new column family, here I will give in memory information. In memory true I will change. Okay, again it is giving error, some syntax error only it is. Okay, nothing else. I think okay, it is coming out if it is an error. Okay, it is up, open again. I have to write it because if there is any error, it is coming out. I will write it. M, comma. I'll see the personal details. Okay, this one is wrong. I'm giving personal details and the version. I will change versions. Okay, then if you want to change more, then we can give a name equal to new call family. The syntax you give it properly, then it will work. Okay, new call family comma in memory I will make memory in memory equal to true. Okay, again and again it is throwing error, guys. Okay, I will find the proper command because it is every time asking me to write name equal to column family in memory equal to true. Again I have to. Okay, I'll copy this and keep. True, I should have given it in the quotes. I think I missed it. Okay, are you all following? Are you all okay? till now what we are giving same thing, like we are trying to get the information, put the information in this alter column family information. I'm showing some commands in that one is not working, where we are trying to alter multiple column family informations, okay, in the same line itself. By this time you should have got one more doubt. I will tell you what doubt you should have got it. What is the problem here? Okay, paste the command alter and it should be true. No, it is having error. Unexpected comma. Okay, I will check this command. Okay, this command is keep on throwing error. Okay, we will continue the next one. This is fine till now. Sarika joined now. Okay, Baladurga, Sharmita Roja and Baladurga Wealth. Sharmita is fine now till now. Okay, okay. I will. Okay, then we will try to delete the particular row id also, that is also possible. So before that I will share some slide and we will do along with the slides, because the slide is having some information. Just a moment. Gayatri, என்ன dust? Ah, Just a moment, guys. Just a moment. Sharmita, you are there. Gayatri ma'am wants to talk to you. Just a moment.
Hello, Sharmita. Yes,
Yes,
Sharmita
ma'am.
is. Yes, Sharmita. Sir told they are unable to change that category. So, sir told you to apply as a general itself. There is no change because anyway, if you belongs to OBC or general, you are going to fee. You are going to pay the fees, right? So, sir told no need. Let that particular student continue as a general itself, like that sir told.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Then I'll do.
they told they are unable to change. Suppose if that particular person is getting any climb, if the reserve category is they are getting climb, no. So
Yeah.
sir told no, sir, she is not belongs to reserve category. Then okay, let it be
Okay,
continue as a general itself. It won't reflect like that, sir told. So you
okay,
apply as general, and after that you just after applying you just intimate me. Today is the last date. Okay.
okay, ma'am. Okay,
I think Balla has completed.
And also we saw about the versions. Okay, table underscore help gives the details of how you can write your commands. So if you see that, I will share that also. So table underscore help, if you see, it looks like an error, but it is not error. But you see, it is giving how you can how you can create a table. You can put it in a different. This is like an alias. Okay, so that you can use it like t dot put the some record values and all, some column family informations and all. So this gives some help. Okay, table underscore help, how you can work on with a table. So that those are all the status commands that we can see, and that we have seen it, okay, already. And this is just a walkthrough. This PPT is just a walkthrough of what we have seen. Some comments are there missing, so I will also show that. And who am I? Okay. And after that, the following table, the, the following are the table command. Table management commands like a create, we have seen list, describe, right? And disable also, disable all and enable all, both all this with all no will work with the regular expressions. Otherwise you can singularly delete a single table itself, and drop the table. Okay. And disable the table, enable the table, we have seen. And show filters I will show, okay, what we can do with that. And alter status also we can do. So some of the example, syntax example for all the commands are there. How we can create a table, list the table. Okay, we can filter out output values from tables by passing optional regular expression parameters. Okay, you can pass the regular expression parameters over here. And after that, describe the table and disable the table also. You can do this. This we have seen. It's all self-explanatory. You can go through it. I'll upload the PPT. And disable all will work on the regular expressions. Enable also will work on the regular expressions. Okay. And this command checks if the table is enabled. This we have come across. Hope you remember it. You all remember, right? Sharmita, you remember, right? Roja Baladurga. You are remembering, right? is enabled is disabled, not is disabled is not there, is enabled only will give true or false informations. Okay, show filter I will show. Okay, this filters, no, this is what it will take a particular values from the filter, from of a column family. Yesterday Sarika asked how you can access the age, retrieve the age value and see. So for that we will use the show filters, not
Ma'am,
through the put. Yes Sarika, not the
ma'am,
put.
are you sharing anything?
Yes Sarika, you are not able to see.
No, ma'am.
I'm sharing the PPT.
No, it's blank.
For others I think they can see. Rosita, Sharmita, Baladurga.
Yes, ma'am, it's
Yeah,
visible.
yes, it is visible. You log out and check, no? Again, log in and check. Maybe it is taking time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, same thing. Whatever we have run as commands, I'm displaying, showing it to them. Okay, and there are options for showing in the filters. Filters like a timestamp filter you can retrieve. You can also retrieve normally value filter and single column value filter. There are two filters will be there that we use it to retrieve a particular column or the cell. Okay, then afterwards alter state commands. Using the alter command you can take a particular column family information and alter the versions or the informations. And there is one other alter command where we can pass the method information using to delete the any column family that I will show. Okay, now I will show. Then to add a column family, this I have shown. Okay, we a column family name you will pass it in the name parameter, because if you describe and see the table, describe the table and see, it will give it will have an attribute and the value. Okay, so that name is going to be your column family name, this name is going to be your column family name, that you can change it. This will add a column family personal details to the table test. Remember everything is case sensitive, so whatever you are giving the attribute name should be the case sensitive. And you can also delete the column family using alter command. There are two ways you can delete a column family, using the delete command also, or using the uh, alter command also. Okay, both I will show. Then alter status, if you give the alter status of the table family, then it will give us this also I will show. Then afterwards, so till now we saw data definition language. What all comes under is all which we don't do any manipulation on the data. All this comes under the data manage DDL. Okay, data definition commands or the management commands you can say, like create, list, describe, all these things. Okay, and data manipulation manipulation commands is like a count. You can see it using count, put, get, delete all, truncate, and scan. Okay, in MySQL you would have come across truncate, right? Can you tell me what this truncate will do? Truncate command and drop command difference. In MySQL, these two commands are there. Drop we will apply on a table. Drop table name we will write. Truncate also on a table we will do. So what is the difference between these two? Can anyone tell? Okay, truncate will remove the contents. What drop will do?
Drop will delete the table, ma'am.
Okay, okay. What's the difference?
Uh,
More clearly, it is right. It will delete the table. Okay, truncate. Sharmita is saying table will be there in truncate. Okay, delete. No data will be there. No data will be there in truncate. Correct. And delete. Okay, whole table, it means, yeah, that is right, but word you are not using. That's what. Okay, understanding is right. Drop will delete the complete table along with its schema. Okay, schema is the definition of the columns. Okay, that it will remove. Whereas a truncate, it uh, preserves the schema, and it will delete only the content of the table. So later on, if you wanted to populate the table with the different values, you can just insert the values into the table. Okay, because the schema will be present. Schema means column definition, whatever we give, that will be present. So you understand that. Normally how truncate happens is, it will drop internally. The functioning is, if you learn about truncate anywhere, it will actually drop the table and recreate only the schema again. Okay, it will drop the table, it means it will delete completely, and it will recreate it. That is the internal happening of truncate command. Okay, so here also it works in the same way, but if here we don't have a drop, we use the delete command. Okay, then count will give the table name, number of rows in a table. Then you can, if you wanted to find the number of rows in the table, then you can give row IDs. Then you can use count. Okay, select count star from some table we give in MySQL, similar to that. And you can also put it like this: table name, row name, and the column value, whatever you wanted to give. This we have seen, no? For a particular column value, you can add this. So here you should have had a doubt. Okay, so okay, I'll finish it and come back to that. And get will be like, you can get the column information. Okay, row or cell contents present in the table. If you wanted to get it particular information, as I told, you have to use the show filters, filter informations, not show filters, filter information. And delete will delete the cell value at the defined table of row or the column. Okay, so delete it, you give the table name, row name, and the column family name. You can pass it, or only row name you give, that complete row will get deleted. Delete must match all the deleted cells coordinates. So it should be present. That's what they are saying. What does it mean is, deleted cell coordinates, you remember, if for a personal information. Okay, we keep adding name. For the personal information column family, we keep adding name, age, and mobile number. And another personal information, say for example, this I have added for myself. And for Roja, I am adding like name, age, mobile, and phone number, mobile phone, not phone number, address or city I add it. Okay, that's what they are saying. The coordinate should be the same. If I'm trying to delete the cells, this coordinates is a 3 and this coordinates is 4, right? Then it will delete all the rows, but all belongs to the single row. Okay, row 1. So in that way, that in such a way, you have to be careful about how you are going to delete it. And delete all will delete all the cells in the given row. So you will give which table and which row number, then it will delete all the table, all the informations in the row, all the cells, you can say, cells in the row. Truncate, we know it. So here is also the explanation. It does three operation, which is disables the table, drops the table, and recreates the table. So this is the extra one in Hbase, because when you if you are trying to delete it, you need to disable the table. Okay, so disable the table, and then it will delete it. Okay, and scan we know it is to retrieve the data and it to give. Okay, and there is also, we can load data into the Hbase using this way. Okay, so this is like import of a CSV file into the Hbase. Say for example, we say that Hbase is on top of the Hbase is on top of the HDFS. Okay, imagine there are some data set is present in the HDFS, like a movie data set or the employee attrition data set. Then this you wanted to load into the Hbase. Okay, then that you can do it using this command. This I will show in a demo also. Okay, then we will do some commands which are left out and some on filters now. Okay, I am in my terminal. In the terminal, what I will do, okay, I will scan the emp table and check. Scan. It is showing error because I gave escape something. Okay, it is giving all the details. Say I wanted to delete row 1 or row 2, then we can give delete all. Row delete all table name emp and comma 2. If I give, then it has taken it. Okay, so we'll scan and check. See, row column family row id, which is nothing but row id. Based on row id, it has a deleted everything. And another way to delete is using the alter command. Two ways you can delete the column family information. So one is with the delete all command, and another is delete all, or delete is also there. Okay, for that I need to add something, because if I delete one also it will go. Okay, what I will do, I will add some more column information. Put inside employee, comma 2, comma some personal not work details. I'll give work as a company. Company value is like withdraw some error. I'm giving. I have deleted this work details. I think it will not be there. Work details is there. I have given work. That's why it is wrong. Same column family name we have to give. Okay, it took, and I will add it for row ID 3 also, like Oracle, something like that. Then we will do it for row ID 4, something like a Nokia. Okay, so many row IDs I have written. I will scan it and show. Okay, many row IDs. Then we will delete it one by one. Okay, say for one column family, I'm going to delete EMP, comma 2, no, one only, but one I have not added this. Okay, okay. Why I have added one work details also, because company name is there. I wanted to delete a particular column family in row ID 1 or row ID 2. Okay, row ID 1 is having personal details and work details. So now I will show to deleting of any of the one column family information on a particular row. Okay, delete EMP 1 comma, we will give the column family name. Here it also should become a, this is little confusing actually. Okay, I will write work details. Okay, so now it is deleted. Now we scan and see for the row ID 1 whether work details is deleted. Okay, EMP work details is not deleted. Delete EMP table 1 work details I want to delete. It took it, but it is not deleted. Why? or I will give it this way. That is an error. It is not deleting, guys. Okay, we will use it using the alter command. Okay, another way to delete is using the alter command, that I will try. Alter table emp, and I'll give it as a name as the work details. Okay, it should be in quotes, and the method as delete. So this is the other way you can delete a column. It is a deleting from the region. So work details all will get deleted. Okay, column. So we scan and see the table. See, all the work details got deleted. Okay, I tried to delete it for a particular uh, thing. It is not getting deleted. I think we have to pass the timestamp, otherwise it will not delete. Okay, I will do for the scan. I will explain. Okay, don't worry. Here I will, for the personal details, for the company I delete, and I think it is nothing is there because I have deleted everything. No, so I will take the personal details only. Name I will give it took, and the scan emp, it is not deleting. Timestamp I will try. I think particularly deleting a single row ID with the information, then it needs a timestamp. I will try once, otherwise we'll see. No constructor for arguments, help delete. Delete, this is how you can give. They are giving the help. Okay, delete ns1. Ns1 is the this one, row ID 1, column family 1, like this. Okay, that way it is not working. Otherwise you can use an alter command to delete the complete things. Okay, otherwise you have to, this is timestamp, that's what I have given. Table row column timestamp. Okay, table row column family personal details, and timestamp. Timestamp is this I gave. No, it is not working. No guys, I will check this. Okay, I will check and let you know. Otherwise, you can delete it. Two ways you can delete it. You can delete it. Use delete all command to delete it. The particular row ID. You can use alter command to delete it, where you will give the method name. Okay, this commands I will post it. Okay, yesterday also I posted it, but one is not working. Okay, this is fine, right? Then I will show filter commands. I will not experiment now because it is taking time. I will show filter. Show filter will allow you to filter the particular values. So show underscore filter. These are the functions or methods of the Java. Okay, what it will do is when you are trying to retrieve any data from our employee table. Say we have an employee table. In this employee table, if you're trying to retrieve any value, that age, mobile, or name, then you can use one of these methods to retrieve it. Commonly used is single column value filter and a value filter. Okay, single column value filter means it will get retrieves and gives you the column information complete, and this value filter will give the cell information. Cell information means either age, mobile, or a name, like that it will give. Okay, then I will show one example in this. We will try adding some more details. Or okay, no problem. No details is required. Okay, like this only we can do. So how do we use a filter to retrieve the data, that I will show. This will work on the scan command. Okay, so you have to write a scan, then your table name, then you will pass your column informations on our columns. You will say what is your column name. Okay, column name is personal details here, and filter only we will specify what is the method we are going to use. Okay, so there were many methods I showed, no, like timestamp filter. You can do it with a single column value exclude filter. You can do with the value filter, like that. So first we will use value filter and check it. Okay, value, you will be, this is case sensitive, so you have to give it properly. Value filter, inside that we are going to specify which value you are going to filter it. Okay, say for example I wanted to retrieve the value of here we have to specify the binary prefix. Okay, this is the parameter. We say that it will convert the data into a binary form and it will give us the result. So binary prefix, say for example I will give roja. Okay, then close this also, and this incorrect filter string. Oh, nothing is working today for me. Filter equal to value filter is the one. Okay, value filter, this is the one I'm using. Okay, I have given a wrong thing here. I think there should not be any codes here. Okay, so it is retrieving the data. So I will explain the command. What this command does, in order to filter any particular information about Roja, I am trying to find the name of that, the particular cell information here I'm trying to do. Then you can use this command, the filter. Okay, so you have to give value filter. Here I'm saying equal to binary prefix. This is like the comparison operator that you will give. Binary prefix means it will convert this value into binary and it will do the comparison and it will give the result. Okay, I think we need more data into this table, so we can do greater than and all. So I will put some data into it. Put in emp comma 1 comma some more informations, like in personal details we will give salary, as 10,000. No, 1 lakh I've given. Okay, this is fine. Next, for the second row also, we will give the salary as 50 for the second column family. Okay, no other information is I'm adding, just salary information I'm adding it. 25 and okay. So scan the table and check. So it is having salary information for all the four rows, right? No, one is not there. Okay, two I have given. 10,000 it is not taking. Yeah, it is overwritten. Okay, 50,000 I gave first time. Second time I've given 20, 10,000, so it is overwritten. Okay, two values only are there. So what I will do, I will try to find the binary prefix. Find the salary greater than some values. Okay, greater than something or lesser than something, you can find out. So binary prefix greater than say 10,000. Okay, then it will give 25,000 and 10,000 records only, cells only, but it is not giving yeah, see it is giving all the information which is greater than 10,000, which is 25,000, but 1 lakh is not coming. 1 lakh should also come, right? Lesser than 10,000 no records are there, salary information, but greater than 10,000 only one record it is retrieving and giving it. Greater than 50, it is not giving any information for the 50. Okay. Is this okay, guys? How do we retrieve the data? Am I going fast or is it unclear? This will be little different, okay? Hbase commands will be very different when compared to whatever we have seen till now. The scanning and these things, it can explore more by learning on this. Directly, if I equal it to 1 lakh into the with the value filter, then it is giving the data. Otherwise, it is giving only for 25,000. Fine. Likewise, you can scan. Then one other example is with not only salary, any information you can get the data. Okay, one is with another column family, that is show filters. We have the single column family value filter. No, with that also I will show an example. Scan EMP filter. Filter name we have to pass it here, which is nothing but single column value filter, and say for the column family personal details. Here we specify which one we wanted to filter it on, name, and we also specify name as what is the information for the name. Okay, I will tell you what is this binary or no. Okay, like Roja only is there, so that I will give. Okay, so what I am doing here is I'm taking another one, another show filters, which is a single column value filter. In that, we are going to pass which column family information we wanted, and the name. Actually, this what it will do is it will just try to convert the value which we are passing into the binary information and it give us the results. That's the reason it is we have to pass it here. Even for the value filter we will say this is how the syntax it is like this, guys. This is how you have to give the syntax for retrieving the data. If you are going to this what this method will do is it will retrieve the data of the um, column complete column itself. Let's see if it works. It is giving error. I know it will give error. There is some error, I think. The name is the error, I think. Name should be capital letter. Incorrect filter. Okay, this is also not working. Okay, I will see the command filters. Open filter. It is giving some error here. Filter single column value filter, personal details, a name, binary, and you have to give the name of that Roja. Okay, it is not working. I will show you in the afternoon. Okay, there is some error. I know. Okay, so that is all for now. We will see in the afternoon class. I will show how to load the CSV. What else in this is remaining is CSV and more. I will show. Try to understand. Please tell me, is this okay? I mean, HBase is this. It will be little difficult only because commands will be completely different for HBase. Okay. One other slide is also there that I will show regarding the versioning part. And there will be a Java file like UDF file. We write it in a pig. No, likewise you can write user defined Java file in order to do some operations that I will show. With that, HBase will be over. I will share the book also. Okay. Then we will do a Spark. Okay. However, finding it HBase is difficult or okay or confusing.